Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Tasu ma'am. My name is Tasmita and today is my practice day number 27. In today's video, I am going to take you through my daily routine which helped me to stay productive, organized and on top of my task throughout the day. Before getting into the video, I'm going to tell you few things that you should remember when you talk about your daily routine. Okay, the very first thing is when you talk about your daily routine, I mean you repeatedly do the same thing in everyday basis or daily basis. In that case, you are going to use only simple present tense like I take, I go, I brush, I play, I eat, I sleep. So these all are like the example of simple present tense. The fun part is here that you have to use only I mean subject is only I. It's not the fun part, it's truth. Okay, when you talk about your daily routine, you have to use only one subject and that is I. Like I do, I eat, I play, I have. Okay, only one subject, that is I. That means only you. About you, your daily routine you are going to talk, right? And the second one is I have lot of friends, like when they talk about their daily routine, they use always after that, after that, after that. Don't use continuously after that. Okay, there are some useful words that you can use when you talk about your daily routine, like usually, then, after that, often, sometimes, generally. Don't use only after that. You have lot of options. So these are few things that I wanted to tell you before getting into the video. Today I am going to tell you my daily routine, and with the help of my routine you can create your own daily routine and use it for your purpose. After watching this video, try to create your own daily routine and speak it out loud. If there is anyone, try to share your daily routine, and if there is no one, don't worry, you can speak with yourself. Got it? So without any further ado, let's start with my daily routine. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Then I stay in bed for some time. Before leaving the bed, I rub my palm and place them on my face for some time, as I know that it transfers energy, even it stimulates blood circulation, waking up the senses, make you feel relaxed and glow your skin due to moisturizing effect. Then I check my phone whether there is any urgent calls or messages. Then I get up at 6:15 a.m. and pray to God for another beautiful day. Then I head to the kitchen and drink a glass of water to keep myself hydrated. Before going to the washroom, I wash my face, grab hold my brush and brush my teeth. Then I go to the washroom, and within the next half an hour I freshen up, I have a shower and get dressed. After that I worship. Worship means puja. While preparing breakfast, I apply the skincare products and comb my hair. After that, I serve breakfast to my husband, and I also join with him to enjoy the healthy breakfast. After having breakfast, I try to take out some time for myself to develop my skill, check comments and try to reply all, and sometime I shoot video as well. And around 12 p.m. I go to the kitchen and prepare lunch. And while lunch is cooking, I tidy up the room. Tidy up means the things you are keeping in the proper place in organized way. Generally, I have lunch at 2 p.m. Then I take a nap from 3 to 4 in order to feel refreshed. Then I give tuition to some small children from 4 to 6 in the afternoon. You might have seen already them in one of my previous video. If you have not seen them, I will put the link of that video in my description box below. You can check. Then I often go for a walk or engage in exercise from 6 to 7 p.m. From 7:30 p.m. I start preparing my dinner, and while cooking my dinner I practice my English, and even I edit video for the next day that I upload for you daily basis. Around 9 p.m. we both have dinner. After that I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then I go to the washroom, wash my face, brush my teeth. Then I follow some night skincare routine. Then I change into my night dress. Before going to the bed, I ensure that all the doors and windows are properly locked. Then I make sure all the lights are switched off and the gas is turned off. Finally, at around 11 o'clock, I set the alarm and get into the bed and go to sleep. So that's it, my daily routine. I hope you enjoyed and got some inspiration to create your own daily routine. Remember this, having a daily routine helps you to stay productive, organized and balanced throughout the day. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked and it really helpful for you. And one thing I want to tell is, you create your own daily routine, and while creating, if you face any problem, feel free to ask in the comment section, because this is my daily routine and right now I am a homemaker and this is my present daily routine. Before it was not like that. Now I am a homemaker, so that my routine is like that. Maybe in future it will change again. So at the time being, we have to create our own daily routine. You might be a working person, so in your case the routine can be changed. If you face any problem or want to ask something, please ask me. As per my capability, I will try my best to help you out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, stay tuned.